So today we're going to talk about the basic chain rule, and this is kind of just the start of your use of chain rule in calculus. So make sure that if you don't understand something, just pause the video and make sure you can grasp that understanding. Now straight into an example problem, we're going to use the mama and the baby in order to solve this composite function. So pausing here for a second, we need to identify what the baby and the mama in the situation is. We need to understand that 7x to the 4th is the baby in the situation, and to the 9th power is the mama. The mama is going to be the outermost piece of the chain rule problem and what we need to handle first in order to solve the problem. So as you can see here, I'm circling 9 because the 9 to the 9th power is actually the mama, and so that's what we're going to derive first. And so we take the derivative to the 9th power, we get 9x to the 8th. And so that's going to be the first part of our next equation. From here, we do not mess with the baby, and we just attach the baby to our 9x to the 8th. Now, in order to mess with the baby, handling the baby afterwards, we find the derivative of the baby. And so since there's only 7x to the 4th in there, we only can find the derivative of 7x since numbers don't have derivatives on their own. So we're going to multiply it by 7. And to shorten the problem up and kind of make it smaller, we are going to multiply 7 times 9 and get 63. So the end equation is 63, 7x to the 4th to the 8th power. So sometimes that can be pretty hard to grasp in the sense of a function in an example problem. So putting it into words, it's basically just that y equals the baby to the power of the mama. But you guys kind of have to understand that the mama's not always going to be like to the power of something. It could be sign in front of the baby, so it could be sign parentheses baby. It could be 13 sign in front of the baby. It could be 13 sign of the baby to the 9th power. It could be anything, but the mama is going to be what's on the outside and the outermost, and that's what you're going to be able to that's what you're going to have to do first. So basically you're just going to take the derivative of the mama first and then attach the baby and then multiply the derivative of the baby. These are going to be your same basic steps every time you use the chain rule.